Today, we will learn how to use passive voice for present continuous tense, to tell things we are doing now, or happening now. There are few things we must keep in mind before going into making passive voice sentences. Remember how subject pronouns transform into object pronouns. And then learn how helping verbs transform from active voice to passive voice. Helping verb being means some actions going on in now. Then you have to know the past participle form of every verb. You can learn irregular verbs from my website.
Assist, assisted, assisted. Cook, cooked, cooked. Eat, ate, eaten. Launch, launched, launched. Manufacture, manufactured, manufactured. Parade, paraded, paraded. Rotate, rotated, rotated. Wash, washed, washed. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come.
Here you can see how the present continuous tense is composed. Starting with subject and supported by helping verb, before the verb adding ing to the rear, followed by the object, and the passive voice is starting with object followed by the helping verb and verb being in the past participle form of the verb. Let's watch how the active sentence is transformed into a passive form in this animation. Did you notice that the subject did not move into passive block? That is because subject is irrelevant in passive voice. Now let's study few examples of passive sentences. Notice that when the object is singular or plural, how the helping verb keeps changing to is or are. Elephants are being paraded in Perahera. A spacecraft is being launched. New electric car models are being manufactured. A satellite is being rotated around Earth. Elderly people are being assisted. A car is being washed. In passive voice, sentence does not have a subject, but if you want, subject can be added to the end of the sentence. Here is my transformer. We'll practice here to get a good understanding. Now we take the first example. You can see few empty blocks and some word blocks. You can read, I am cooking dinner, in the block of line. And the rest of blocks are for us to convert to passive voice. We'll start dragging, first the object, which is dinner. Then the helping verb, because the dinner is a singular noun. We are using is as the helping verb, then the being verb, and finally the past participle form of the verb. Done. Dinner is being cooked. Next example. They're cleaning the rooms. Notice that the object rooms is a plural noun. We'll start making it to passive. First the object, which is the rooms, and then helping verb. Remember to use are, because the object rooms is a plural noun. Then bring the being verb. And finally the past participle form of the verb cleaning, which is cleaned. Right, the rooms are being cleaned. Are you following me? She is writing a letter. We'll start dragging to make this passive. First the object, which is a letter. Then the helping verb, because the letter is a singular noun. We are using is as the helping verb. Then the being verb. And finally the past participle form of the verb writing, which is written. Done. A letter is being written. Now look at this example. The workers are repairing power lines. Here both subject and object are plural nouns. We'll start making it to passive. First the object, which is the power lines. Then helping verb are. Because the object power lines is a plural noun. Then bring the being verb. And past participle form of the verb repairing, which is repaired. Right, the power lines are being repaired. Is it clear to you? Now look at next example. We are assisting elderly people. Here both subject and object are plural nouns. We'll start making it to passive. First the object, which is elderly people. Then helping verb are. Because the object elderly people is a plural noun. Then bring the being verb. And past participle form of the verb assisting, which is assisted. Right, elderly people are being assisted. Let's see how to add subject to the sentence. Use word by and the subject. Does that make sense? And last example. Police is advising the public. We'll start making it to passive. First the object, which is the public. Then helping verb is because public is one unified whole. Then bring the being verb. And past participle form of the verb advising, which is advised. Right, the public is being advised. Now see how to add subject to the sentence. Use word by to gin the subject. The public is being advised by the police. Is it clear to you?
The public is being advised by the police.
We are using shadow as a language learning technique. User can listen to a speaker and immediately repeat the speech aloud. Visit our website shown in the description. Practice the lessons you see in this video real time. Subscribe us, press bell icon for notifications.